So my name is Jonathan Gray. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Continuity. So Continuity, we're a big data company, obviously focused on the Hadoop ecosystem and really focused on the developers. So our primary product is called Continuity Reactor, and what that is essentially a application platform for developers to really quickly and easily build applications on top of Hadoop and HBase and other kind of Hadoop ecosystem technologies. So we really fall in the middleware tier. So there's a lot of companies that are infrastructure companies like Hadoop distributions and people building SQL engines and other type of infrastructure software. And there's other companies that have come out with higher level applications and targeting business analysts and data scientists. And we really focus on the middle tier, on a middleware kind of application server that raises the abstraction above Hadoop, the kind of core Hadoop APIs, and really makes it much more accessible for a more traditional enterprise Java developer. So we're really focused on the middle tier and enabling applications to be built above us. So our primary product is the Continuity Reactor, and we think of that as our application server for Hadoop. But one of the big challenges of Hadoop is getting a Hadoop cluster. And how do I actually go from a public cloud to a running production scaled out Hadoop server with Reactor running on top? And so what we're releasing tomorrow as Apache licensed open source, it's going to be available on GitHub, is a project called Continuity Loom, which is an open source cluster provisioning and management system. So what it does is it enables any developer, as well as large enterprises, right from their laptop, to spin up any size Hadoop cluster in any cloud, public clouds, private clouds, even on bare metal, directly from their laptop in just a couple minutes. So it's a really cool new piece of technology that we actually built internally, not as a product, but to solve our own problems. So all of our development team uses this from the command line to do all their testing. And a year later, it's a really cool piece of tech, and so now we really want to share it with all the other developers out there who can help extend it and test it and start to build more and more services, because it's not just Hadoop specific. You can deploy a LAMP stack, you can deploy any kind of different services. So as open source, we think we can get a lot of different people adding all kinds of support for different things other than just Hadoop. So I really encourage anybody they can go to our website, continuity.com, and they can download the Reactor SDK for free, and they can download Loom for free, and to check out the GitHub page, github.com/continuity/Loom, and you can just clone it right there, hit on your laptop and say, give me a Hadoop cluster, and in just a few minutes you'll be going live.